If adding fractions confuse you, this video will help you. Let's start with a quick knowledge check. You can pause the video and have a go. Let's check your answer. What can I multiply by 5 to get 10? Your answer should be 2. 5 multiplied by 2 is 10. Therefore, we do the same at the top. 3 multiplied by 2 will give you 6. That is 6/10. Let's look on our second question. Why can you add the shaded parts? Shapes have equal divided parts, and that is why you can add. They have the same equal divided parts, same denominators. Okay, let's look on part C. How would you express these using numbers? We can say a half, add 1/4 is 3/4. Or we could use the same number of divided parts, which is 4, same denominator of 4. Therefore, we'll start with a half, and we have to multiply both numerator and denominator by 2 because we need 4 equal parts. So let's start. 2 multiplied by 1 is 2, and 2 multiplied by 2 is 4. Now we have 4 equal parts, we have same denominators, and we can just add the numerators. 2/4 and 1/4 gives you 3/4. Okay, let's try some addition of fractions with different denominators. Work out 2/3 add 3/4. Different number of divided parts. Therefore, we need an equivalent fraction with common denominator. So again, you need a number that is in your 4 times and your 3 times table. And this is called the lowest common multiple of 3 and 4. Same number in your 4 and 3 times table. That number is 12. Now what can I multiply by 3 to get 12? That's 4. 3 times 4 is 12. Remember, we have to multiply the numerator by 4 as well. Therefore, our equivalent fraction for 2/3 is 8/12. Let's look on our next part. We have 3/4. What can I multiply by 4 to get 12? That is 3. 3 times 4 is 12. Remember to multiply your numerator by 3 as well. So 3 multiplied by 3 is 9. Now we can add our numerators. Therefore, your answer should be 17/12. Now I want you to write as a mixed number. 12 goes into 17 one time, and there's a remainder of 5 out of 12. Now you can pause this video and give this question a try. Let's check your answer. So we start with using a multiple of 3 and 2. That is the same number in your 3 times and 2 times table. And that number is 6. Then what can I multiply by 2 to get 6? That is 3. 3 times 2 give us 6. And 3 multiplied by the numerator, 3 times 1 is 3. And then what can I multiply by 3 to get 6? That is 2. 2 multiplied by 3 is 6. And remember to multiply your numerator by 2 as well. 2 multiplied by 2 is 4. Therefore, by adding the numerators, we have 7 sixths. Therefore, as a mixed number, 6 goes into 7 one time, and there's a remainder of 1 6. If this video helped, please like, share, subscribe, and watch my playlist on numbers.